Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Brad with Fine Tuned, and today we're going to show you guys how to prime your fuel system on your BMW diesel with Protool. Okay, so why do you need to prime your fuel system on your BMW diesel? Well, if you replace your fuel filter, you need to prime it. If you replace an injector, if you do a valve cover and remove any injectors, or if you replace the metering valve on your fuel pump or any of the valves on the rail, you need to prime your fuel system on these BMW diesels. So we'll get to it right now with Protool. So we are on Protool right here. We'll turn on the key. You know the key's on or the ignition's on when you have the check engine light illuminated on your dash. And we're on Protool right now. We'll hit USB because we're connected via USB connection, and we'll hit connect. It'll do its thing. It'll identify the control units. It finishes up. Sometimes it sweeps the gauges, and that's how you know it's connected. So on this vehicle, we actually did a valve cover gasket. So we had all the injectors out on it. And right now I'm going to go through the engine, and I'll just clear all the fault codes and read them again to make sure that we don't have any more fault codes. And then I will go into fuel pump. I will go to functions, and then I'll click prime fuel pump and confirm. So right now the fuel pump is priming. We have half a tank of diesel in here, and normally you'll kind of hear the fuel pump running and sometimes even creating some cavitation there because it's cycling the air through the fuel pump and going through all the lines. So go ahead and let this sit for a couple minutes, and then once it cycles through a little bit, we'll go ahead and keep on priming the fuel system and turn over the engine. Okay, so we're going to hit close here, and then we're going to hit functions again, and we'll prime the fuel pump one more time. And it's priming now, and then we'll put our foot on the brake and try and start up the vehicle. It will take a long time for the fuel system to actually bleed and get some pressure in the rail to start up this vehicle. So we'll let it go. So now the fuel system's all primed. We had a little squeak from the belt because we did a bunch of other maintenance along with it, so it got a little bit wet with coolant, but that's not a big deal. And yeah, when you start these things up, sometimes it'll shake a little bit just to get the rest of the air bled through the injectors. And it also takes, I don't know, 5 minutes of driving for everything to be bled through all the way. So if I shut this off now and go to start it up again, I guarantee you it'll be a couple hard cranks just because everything's not bled through all the way. So I'm just going to prime the fuel pump again just to show you guys that, it's still not bled through. Well, this one went a lot quicker. So the vehicle's running. We'll go back through the engine because it usually triggers one fault code for low rail pressure on start. We'll go back into the engine, we'll read the fault codes, and we got rail pressure on start. So we'll go ahead and clear those fault codes and read it again, so we don't have that fault code anymore. And yeah, that's all you need to know for bleeding the system on your BMW diesel.